Good morning, students. Happy New Year. My name is Ravan Kumar. I am going to teach you subject Maths, class 9, 9th chapter. In the previous class, I explained only mean of seventh problem. Now I would like to explain the median continuous. What is the question here? Written here question. Century score and number of cricketers the world are given below. So this the table is given. Find the mean completed. We completed the mean. Now I am going to do the median and the mode of the given data. So I would like to do the median. So how we will do? Number of centuries. Then number of cricketers. Next, cumulative frequency. C of the call it as. Cumulative frequency. Here is what is the number of centuries? 5 is given, right? See, 5 for 5, 56. Then next is 10, 23. 15, 39. 20, 13, 25, 8. So, what is the cumulative frequency? You have to do the addition of it. So now here 56. So here the cumulative frequency. Then 56 plus 23. So add it. What you will get? 6 plus 3, 9, 79. So 79 plus 39. So what you write? 9 plus 9, 18. 1 carry 11. 118. 118 plus 13. So what you will get? 11. 1 plus 1, 2, 3. 131. 131 plus 8. So what you will get? 139. So the capital N is equals to 139. Okay. So here is observe it. What is the mean? First you concentrate here. Capital N is equals to 139 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 six are 12. 2 nines are 18.5. So what you got it here? 69.5. See 69.5 is a very, observe it. Here the 69 point is in the cumulative frequency nearest 79. Yeah, nearest 79. So for this corresponding is 23. 29 corresponding is. So this will be the median of the given data. What do you write now? Median is equals to 10. Median is 10. Number of centuries are 10. That is the median of 10. Now, what is the mode? Mode you can tell. What is the definition I told you? Mode, number of most occurring value is called as mode. So observe it. Here is in this, in number of cricketers. In number of cricketers, what is the most occurring value is 39, right? So 39 means it is the 15 is the answer to you. Number of frequency, mode you will call it as a 39. Number of cricketers 39, right? In 39, so 39, right? It will be the 39, right? Sorry, 39 is not most. Here the 56. You forget it. You have 56, 23, 39, 13, 8. In this most occurring value is 56. So 5 will be the number of centuries. That will be the answer. 5. Mode is the 5. Simple answer to you. So 7th one is the completed. Now I would like to explain 8th one. What the 8th one is? Similarly, 8th one we need to find out the median. 8th problem. On the occasion of New Year's Day, a sweet stall prepared sweet packets. Number of sweet packets and cost of each packet are given as follows. The question: cost of packet, number of packets. The rupees 25, rupees 50, rupees 75, rupees 100, rupees 125, rupees 150, 20, 36, 32, 29, 22, 11. This is given. We need to find the mean, median and mode of the data. So, right? So, first let's find out the mean. How we will find out the mean? Solution: cost of packet, number of packets. Here is the 25. Xi F5. It is the F5, it is the Xi. The next 50, 36, then 75, 32, 100, 29, 125, 22, 150, 11. Just you need to multiply. 25 2s are 50, nothing but 500. Right? 5 6 are 30. 3 carry. 5 3 are 15. 16 17 18. 180. Means 1800. So this we need to do the multiplication. So 75 into 32. 2 5 are 10, 1 carry. 2 7 are 14, 15. 3 5 are 15, 1 carry. 3 7 are 21, 22. 0, 10, 1 carry. 4, 2. So 2400. Right? So now the next one we have to multiply it. Here next what is it? 100 into 29. 2900. So 125 into 22. 2 5 are 10, 1 carry. 2 2 are 4, 5. 2 1 are 2. So here also 250. 0 5 7 2 2750. So 11 into, we know that one, 15 and 15. So 165 means 1650. So we did multiplication, right? We need to find out the sum. Sum is very important that. So here is, we need to do the sum of number of packets and we need to do the sum of xi, fi. We need to do the addition. See, 0 0 0 0 0 0. So you will write 0 0 10 plus 10, 1 carry. 5 is there. 5. This one 6. 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 4 18. 18 plus 9 27. 27 plus 7 34. 34 plus 6 40. 0 4. 1 2 3 2 3 6 10 11 12 12,000. Here 6 2 8 8 plus 2 10 19 20. This is a 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 3 7 7 plus 3 10 10 plus 2 12 12 plus 2 14 14 plus 1 50. So yeah, how you will do the mean? Mean is summation fi xi by summation fi. Summation fi xi, what you got? 12,000. 12,000 by 150. See, 0 0 get cancelled. So my dear students, here sum of fi xi got it 12,000 and summation of fi you got it 150. 0 0 get cancelled. Let's take 5 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. 0. Right? Next 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. 0. So answer is 80. The mean of the given data is 8. Now we are going to do the median. Median, right? Median. We are finding median. So how you find? First is given number of centuries. Number of centuries. Then number of packets. Then you need to write cumulative frequency. It's a very important cumulative frequency. So what is given here is 25. For 25 is given 20. The next one 50 rupees. 36. The next 75. 32 packets. 75 rupees packets are 100 rupees packets. The symbol also is given. 100 rupees packets are 29. The next one 125 rupees packets are 22. 150 rupees packets are 11. So, how we will do the cumulative frequency? I told you in the beginning, this 20 you need to write here. The 20 plus 20 plus you need to do 36. 36. Here 36. 20 plus 36, what you will get? 56. 56 plus 32. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Then 88 plus 29. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 carry. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 117 plus 22. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. And you will write 1. So 139 plus 11. What you will get? 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 150. So I told you clearly in the beginning of the class, you need to find out the n. Nothing but this is the n value. What is the n value? N is equals to 150. So here I am finding what is the n. N is equals to 150 by 2. You need to do 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 70. For this 75 you need to find the nearest value in the cumulative frequency. What is the cumulative frequency? Nearest cumulative frequency of 75. Observe it. Here the 56 or 88. Difference you find out it. You can tell clearly which is the greater to you. See that if you don't know, you subtract it. 88 minus 75. So what you will get? 3 and 30. Difference is 30. If you 75, 56 difference is 1. 21 is the somewhat far to. This is 13, right? So 88 is the nearest to that. So their corresponding value 32. 32 corresponding value is 75. So what is the median? You will tell right now 75. Right? What you will write answer here is the median. Median of the data is equals to rupees 75. Right? So this is equal to. Now what we need to find out next one is the mode. See the mode we need. Yeah, the given question, right? In the given question, number of centuries, number of packets. Yeah, which is the most occurring value in this? You observe it. 20, 36, 32, 29, 22, 11. In this, which is the greatest value? 36, right? Their corresponding value 50. So 36 is the number of maximum number of maximum packets is 36. Therefore, what you will write? Mode is equals to rupees 50. Is it clear? I explained mean, median, mode. The next problem I am going to explain you 9th problem. And the mean weight of 3 students is 40 kgs. one of the students Ranga weighs 46 kgs. 46 kg. The other two students, Rahim and Reshma, have the same weight. Find Rahim's weight. The question. So what the question? The mean weight of 3 students. Let's take the mean weight of 3 students is 40 kgs. One of the student Ranga weight. The weight of Ranga. The weight of Ranga is given clearly. The weight of Ranga is 46 kg. Other 2 students, Rahim and Reshma, have the same weight. The weight of Rahim and Reshma, both are same, he said. That's why I am taking x comma x. See how many students are there here? Ranga, Rahim, Reshma. See, he said clearly the mean weight of 3 students, he said clearly 40 kg. So what is the mean formula? Sum of observations by number of observation. According to that, sum of observation, one is x, another is x, another is 46 kg. By number of observation, how many students are there? 3 is equals to 40 kg. X plus x, both are like terms, so 2x plus 46 kg. See, this you are transporting 40 kg into 3. 2x is equals to 4 3 are 12, 120 kg, and this is you are transporting, so minus 46 kg. So 2x is equals to subtract 10 minus 6, 4, 11 minus, nothing but 11 only, 11 minus 4, 7 kg. Then x is equals to 74 by 2 kg. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 7s are. So x is equals to 37 kgs. Means the weight of Rahim and Ranga, both are equal, right? So that's why 37 kg. This is the answer. Once you concentrate on it. The next, I would like to explain you 11th problem. I will go for 11th problem. What is the 11th problem? There are 4 unknown numbers. There are 4 unknown numbers. The mean of the first two numbers is 4, and the mean of the first three is 9. The mean of all 4 number is 15. If one of the 4 number is 2. In that 4, one number is 2. Find the other numbers. So this is the question. What is it? There are 4 unknown numbers. We have unknown 4 numbers. The mean of first 3 numbers is 4. The mean of first 3 numbers is 9. The mean of all 4 is 15. If one of the number is 2. See that clearly, it was mentioned clearly one number is 2 is it clear. There are unknown numbers is it, right? The 4 unknown numbers. Let's take the 4 unknown numbers. I am taking as in x1, x2, x3, unknown numbers. I am taking x1, x2, x3, x4. Unknown numbers. The mean of first 2 numbers. Is it clear? The mean of first 2 numbers. Let's take first 2 numbers. The mean of first 2 numbers. How much is given? First 2 numbers is 4. Means x1 plus x2 by 2 is equals to 4. x1 plus x2, this you transporting 8. This is the 1. The next, what we have to do? The mean of first 3 numbers. The mean of first 3 numbers. Is that clear? The mean of first 3 numbers is equals to 9. Means x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equals to 9. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equals to 9 into 3. This I am transferring. And from equation 1, see here x1 plus x2, we got it already. x1 plus x2 value is 8 plus x3 is equals to 27. 9 3s are 27. Then x3 is equals to 27. This you transport minus 8. Then x3 is equals to 19. We got the one answer. 19, right? Then we said clearly the mean of first 4 numbers. The mean of first 4 numbers. What is given? 15. Means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4 is equals to 15. See here x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equals to 15 into 4. Already we know x1 plus x2 value is 8 and x3 value also we got it 19 plus x4 is equals to, what you will get? 15 for the 60. Then add it this one. 19 plus 8, 27 plus x4 is equals to 60. Then x4 is equals to 60 minus 27. So what you will get from this? x4 is equals to 10 minus 7, 3 and 5 minus 33. So x4 also we got it, x3 we got it, x4 we got it. In the question it said clearly one of the number is clearly 2. See, here is, we know that one of the number is 2 is it? Means x1 plus x2 we got the answer right. What is the x1 plus x2 is 8. In that is that one number is 2. x2 is equals to 8. Then x2 is equals to x8 minus 2. Then x2 is equals to 6. So x1 is equals to 2. x2 is equals to 6. x3 is equals to 19. x4 is equals to 30. This is the answer. So now, what is the homework to you now? I given only one problem is the homework, 10th one. The chapter is finished. Next class I will start a new chapter. So homework is exercise 9.2, 10th problem. This is the homework to you, my dear students. Thank you very much.
Good morning, children. Good morning, everybody. Okay, good morning. Now, good morning, everybody. Now, we are going to discuss about the democratic and nationalist revolution. We are going to discuss about the democratic and nationalist revolution in the 17th, 16th, and 19th centuries. We are going to discuss about the 17th, 16th, and 19th century. And before that, we are going to discuss about that one. We have completed, I have told you 3 revolutions. Keep in mind 3 revolutions, and this you should keep. It is history. One is first in England revolution. In England it was happened glorious revolution. What is glorious revolution means? England established democratic form of government. England established democracy form of government without any bloodshed, without drop of blood, and without any fire. A single shot of fire is not happened. So they got the democratic government, and that is called as glorious revolution. They fought with the kings, people fought with the kings, and they got the democracy form of government. That you know that one. And next one we have discussed about America. And America revolution we have started. America, what happened? Listen properly. 13 colonies, 13 states were occupied by England. England occupied 13 states of North America, and they ruled. They collected the taxes, everything. And America became one, and they revolted under England. They took the help of France, America, and they fought with England. At last they got a victory. So America got independence, and we call as that is American Revolution. And the next one I told about France. That is about French Revolution. And what about French? About the France, you should know that French 3 estates are there. That is called as 3 classes. First estate, clergy people. First estate is clergy people. Second estate, that is nobility. Clergy means kings, all the kings and the bishops, the church fathers or the clergy. Church fathers and the bishops and the kings are the first estate. Second estate, nobility, bureaucracies and aristocracies means the rulers, feudal lords. And the third class, third estate or middle class people. All the middle class people like merchants, traders, lawyers, educated people, shopkeepers, agriculture farmers, laborer, everybody comes in the third estate. That we have discussed in the previous class. And this third estate people only should pay the taxes, and all the privileges are enjoyed by these people. All the privileges are enjoyed by Whom? By the first estate and second estate. That is about the story we have discussed. And why the revolution was happened? Because why it was happening? Because equality should be there. So because of that equality, they are out. All the third estate people became one and they found right to vote for one end. And change the National Assembly and change the constitution. They found. At last the constitution was changed, some rules were prepared, and they started giving less importance for the monarchy. That we have discussed in the previous class. And now we will discuss about the France became a constitution monarchy. Constitution means, I told you, what is a constitution? Constitution means it is a book of written records. It is a book of written records of rules and regulations. In any book, the rules and regulations will be there. Constitution means a government book. In that, some rules and regulations will be there. Rules and regulations will be there. According to the rules and regulations, they should follow. So what they did, in this some rules they wrote. No advantages, no privileges should be enjoyed by the first estate and second estate. And this should not give more importance for the monarchy, for the kings. Only they should give importance for the parliament. Like that, in National Assembly, they found one National Assembly, and from that National Assembly they wrote some constitution book. They changed some rules and regulations. So like that they did. But what happened, you see? They reduced the powers. But in 1791 common era, what happened, you see? The National Assembly, what happened, you see? Here they started again the revolution. Why? Because some rules were not liked by some people. Some rules were there. They reduced some powers for the monarchy. They reduced some powers for the monarchy. For the monarchy means kings. But some rules were there that were not obeyed by the third estate. Again they started revolution. And in 1971, they told that we should remove the monarchy. King's ruling should be not there again. Again, we should not have king's ruling. And also what happened? Everybody should get freedom. Everybody should get equality and the liberty. Everybody should have freedom. Everybody should have equality. And already they did equality. They removed what they did in the constitution book. They reduced the powers for the monarchy. They removed the privileges for the first estate and second estate. They banned the feudal laws, no feudal laws. Like that they did everything they did. But some are there. That's the reason. Some rules, still some rules were there. That was not like by third estate, so that's why again this third estate people became one and they attacked. And I told you in the previous class, yeah, they attacked in the tennis court. And next one you see, here the course of revolt. Why the course of revolt was happened, you see? Some people were not satisfied by the Jacobin club. Before that his name was Jacobin and Jacobin, but what happened, he has changed the name to Jacobin Club. And here you see Jacobin Club means what? Some people were not satisfied by the National Assembly. The National Assembly has prepared some constitution rules. The National Assembly prepared some constitution rules, but some people are not satisfied with the constitution rules. And some politicians also are not satisfied. Jacobin is a ruler. What he did, he has prepared one club, Jacobin Club. What is a club means? In that some members are there. Shoemakers, printers, daily wage people, and street vendors, some painters, electricians. All the people are in one club. And these they kept like that and they started running. But what happened? You see, Jacobin Club means one in that all the shoemakers, printers, daily wages, painters, shopkeepers, roadside vendors, vegetable sellers, everybody will be in that. Everybody are in that. And what happened, you see here, these Jacobin Club, because of shortage of food, and what happened, they started selling the products in high prices. In this, the people who are selling. So what happened, the people started revolution. The people started the revolution. Why? Because they are increasing the prices in this Jacobin Club. So they told, we don't want this Jacobin Club. They are increasing the prices, and again they did the revolution. Why? Because revolution where they did in Paris. France capital Paris. You know that In Paris, one history, Eiffel Tower is there in Paris. So France capital is Paris. In Paris there is a revolution that you should ban the Jacobin Club. Why? Because monarchy also. Why? Because they are selling for high prices. High prices in that all what are there in the club. And some people angrily they killed the Kuller is a employee of the monarchy. They killed him. And what happened? We don't want this Jacobin Club. So what they did? People did revolution and they removed the Jacobin Club and also they removed the National Assembly also. They dissolved the National Assembly. We don't want the assembly. We don't want the National Assembly and we don't want the monarchy. We don't want the monarchy like that. They did the revolution. What happened? Jacobin Club, why they removed? Because they are increasing the prices. So that's why people got angry and they removed that one. And also National Assembly also they removed. We don't want this National Assembly. And elections were conducted again. What they did? No king ruling now. No National Assembly will conduct elections. Republic will do. Republic means electing by vote is called as republic. One example: electing one head. Electing one head by voting. Electing one head by voting. All the people of France who are having right to vote, they will vote and they will elect one head, and that head will rule. That is called as republic. So what happened? You see, at last, France decided to will conduct elections, and they elected one head, and the government was started ruling, and that is called as republic government. You see, republic government was established in France. King was gone. Jacobin Club was removed. Elections were conducted, and they elected one head. That is called democracy, and they started ruling. After that, what happened? You see, they conducted elections and they elected one person. You know that if elections are there, third estate person only will come in the elections. Why? Because 90% of the people are third estate. 90% of the people are third estate, like middle class, lawyers, engineers, everybody. So from that only is elected. So elections, and from the third estate only was elected. And what happened? You see, after that, Louis XVI was a king of France, and the Louis king and the married wife of Louis king, the wife of Louis king also, these both they killed, they sentenced to death in 1793 common era. Already now republic government was established, and the people got angry, and the court has given the judgment. And what happened? Louis XVI and King Mary, wife of Louis XVI, they were killed. They were given a punishment, and in 1793 common era, they got a death sentence. So like that was killed. The king was gone, everybody gone, and now republic government was established. And next one, you see, everything was clear now, and there is no king's ruling. And elections were held at that time. Who are 21 years, they should have a right to vote, like that. Elections were held. Next one, the terror, you see, the regime terror. Means the regime terror was started in 1793, and you see, to 1794. The terror 1793 to 1794 in common era. One Robespierre used to be there, and this Robespierre is a very strict person. In those times, he used to give punishments for everybody. He used to give punishments and used to give imprisonment. They used to keep in the jail. This Robespierre used to keep in the jail for everybody. He used to keep in the jail. He is a ruler at that time. And what happened? You see, this person used to give punishments and used to keep in imprisonment in the jail. And who are guilty means who did mistakes, who did a crime, used to kill them in the guillotine stick. But guillotine it is there, when I will show you now. And in the guillotine, one instrument will be there. We should keep our neck like this, and it will cut like this. One guillotine is called guillotine. It will be there. We should keep our head, and one machine will be there, it should do like this and the head is cutted. One guillotine used to be there and used to do the punishment. And this Robespierre has told that equality should be there everywhere. Freedom and equality should be there. Bread also should be distributed equally. And the bread water supply should supply quality, and the food items should supply quality and everything. And if you do the mistakes, you will be punished. And here what he decided, this Robespierre, he was a very strict person. If anybody did wrong or guilty, he used to give punishments, and any crimes are there, he used to kill by the guillotine. I'll show you that one. And wages should be limited, and the wages also this much, that much only wages like that. And here you see, but what happened? His rules were strict, and at last, what happened? You see, equality, bread is equality. What the bread is supplying to the people of France, that should be quality, and the bakers should supply quality bread to everybody. That, and that he told, and punishments, everything used to be given by the Robespierre only. But at last, what happened? The court has punished this Robespierre. Death sentence they give. The court has given a punishment for the Robespierre, a death sentence. Where he used to do guillotine, in that only was killed. By guillotine only was killed. Robespierre was killed in the guillotine only. And that was punishment was happened in 1794. 1794, Robespierre got a punishment from the court. So that's why for him also they killed in the guillotine only. And that is about that one. And women and the French Revolution. And after that, what happened? Equality was not there at the time. Only, you know that France, 3 estates, first estate, second estate, third estate. First estate, second estate, third estate was there. But what happened? At last they found an equality they brought for the classes, first class, second class, third class estates. But here women, when the right to vote was there, for the women they did not do right to vote. Women is not having right to vote. Women should not study, and women should not having right to join any businesses. If anybody died, the person has died, nobody will be there. The male, that time the people used to go and do the shop, they used to maintain the shops like that. So like that was there. So what happened? Women and the French Revolution was started. All the third estate people, all the third estate women became one, and then the revolution that we want a right to vote, we also want the right to educate, we also want to be right to politics, we will also stand in the politics, we should give right for the politics and education for us and right to vote. So with this what happened? The government has did okay. Why? Because what the demand they are doing is a correct one. What the demand, that they are asking the demand, right to vote for us, women should have a right to vote. So in 1791 common era, they gave a right to vote for the women. In France, in 1971 common era, they gave a right to vote for women, and also they gave permission for all the people they can join the politics and the right to education like that. Because of the revolution was started by women in the France. They made equality. Men and women are equal. What rights the men are enjoying, women also should enjoy the rights, like that they declared. So with this we will stop the French Revolution, and we will see the next class. Okay.